Hello everybody, this is gonna be another video on a program that you must have. It's gonna be a tutorial, gonna be a slight introduction, it's gonna be brief. It's gonna be about Ditto. What is Ditto? Ditto is a clipboard that will absolutely be useful for you. Okay, I'm a guy who shows you, so let's get into it. In brief, you have to download and install it. So how you do about that? Okay, I'm gonna run you in brief, not to worry. Head over to our web browser, open it, go to the address bar, okay, type in ditto-cp.sourceforge.net. This will direct you to the website, to the main website, and you go to download. Click this, it will redirect you to another page. Do not worry, it's safe for download. Virus, all that checked. There's no virus in it. Don't you worry. So you head over to this and it will redirect you and you will download automatically, which will then bring you to your downloads files. Alright, I think you know the drill. Run the executable, which is the .exe file, and you get that installed. Once you get it installed, alright, what I would recommend for all new users is to first, okay, you can read under the features page that it is to be accessed from the tray icon right here, okay, which is not something that's a lot of people are familiar with, of an application that runs in the background. So you need to have it, you need to see it, you need to visualize it. Alright, so that's why first things first, I would recommend for all new users is to open up their start. Alright, hit in your search right here, search Ditto, D-I-T-T-O. okay, you type in Ditto and you do the following. First, as you can see, previously I had it pinned, so we have to pin it, pin in both, okay, pin in both your taskbar and as well as the start menu, so that you can access it from multiple points. So once you get that done, okay, you click Ditto to run the program that you have just installed successfully. You click on Ditto. Okay, for a slight moment you saw that there's a loading, the cursor has loaded up the program, which it did, because it is to be accessed from the tray icon or through a global hotkey. Okay, so what is the global hotkey? What are they talking about? What shenanigans is that? Well, the global hotkey is as follows. Okay, remember this one. It's going to be a good neat trick to access Ditto at anywhere at any point of time. Alright, it's called control. Okay, you hit control open quote, okay, control open quote, and the open quote key can be found beside your enter key. Alright, for usual US layout keyboards, this is going to be beside your enter key. So it's going to be depending on the keyboard layout they have. By default, Ditto has it defaulted to control open quote. So now you see that there's a clipboard. There's something that looks like a clipboard as well, empty and ready to be collating all your clips. What is a clip, you might ask? Well, a clip is something that you very much copy. Okay, a lot of people are very used to hitting that control C key, copy key. So once you've done that, you actually saved a clip. So what do I mean? Okay, but before that, the next thing that I recommend you users as well, they are new to this program, is to hit the next hotkey. Okay, remember this one. Okay, the first one you remembered is control open quote to call the program from the tray or from the background. Okay, and next one is going to be control space. Alright, as you can see, control space did something. Okay, but what is that? Well, control space is to put the program at the topmost window. It's written here. Okay, topmost window. Okay, which will be having Ditto to be anchored or to be always at the front of all windows that you open. Okay, these are called windows. Okay, everything you open up is window. It's a window. Okay, so we're gonna open up the next window, which is gonna be our notepad. Okay, so it's gonna be a notepad to demonstrate to you the power of Ditto and why you should have it installed. So we're gonna run the program notepad, okay, which I have it shortcut on my desktop. So I run the program. I got notepad right here in a window, right? This is what everyone is very much familiar with when they run a program. It opens up a window. However, Ditto did not. Okay, so that's why I recommend all users to have it pinned on the start menu and as well as the taskbar, so you can access it at any point of time. But of course, when you run Ditto, remember, when you run Ditto, is not defaulted to opening up in a window mode. Alright, so you have to run the program, hit that control open quote to call the program from the tray. Alright, so we have the clipboard visual right here at the front. Okay, so that's quite at length. We'll move on to showing what is the power of Ditto. Okay, like I say again, what is a clip? A clip is something that you very much copy. So, hello world is something a lot of programmers are used to learning basically everything. Okay, so highlight this sentence by doing Shift Home, Control C, and boom, you see that? This clipboard will collate all clips, alright, that you have copied, and it'll be collated here. It'll be just bunched here, dumped here in the clipboard, ready to be used at the next time. Okay, so it's able to paste previous copy entries. Alright, so this is the first clip. We're going to go to the next clip, which is going to be, remember where you're going to be downloading it after you watch this video, www.ditto-cp.sourceforge.net. That's where you're going to go immediately after you watch this video, or right now when you get the point. Okay, so go highlight Word, highlight it, Control C, and there you go. You have copied the URL address to download Ditto. Download now. Okay, and get started. So we are not done yet. Okay, doesn't show the power yet. Okay, but you get the point. That it gets all the clips, okay, that you will be copying. Okay, so let's say we've got a few more. We've got another address as well, you know, www.youtube.com. Thank you to this website for hosting this tutorial right over here, youtube.com. Okay, so we get a lot of copy clips. So let's say you want to place hello world again. Usually what users will do is they will find the clip of where they have copied, right? You go find the windows, you have to find the windows, you have to find excuse me, to the exact clip where it has been, and then you highlight it and you copy, correct? Well, no more. You do not need to do that no more. You just head over to where you want to place your clip, control open quote, head over to the clip that you want to paste, and you hit enter, and there you have it. Amazing. You do not have to once again navigate back to the window where you would like to copy your clip. Okay, for example, again, let's say we head over to our Chrome, right? You open up Chrome, you don't exactly, you do not want to actually refer to the notepad in which you have saved your URL address, and you don't exactly know even, you can recall from memory. Well, what you head over to Ditto to do that task for you. So you first have to remember, okay, where you're gonna be pasting the clip. Hit control open quote, go to the URL address that you have copied from the notepad application, and you hit enter. There you have it. Easy peasy. You don't even have to type anything. You have it saved in the clipboard, and then hit enter. Okay, my internet's down. So anyway, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.